Okay, now that we had tons of fun and we are all drunk, champagne drunk. Look at that, Val is dancing on the streets. Oh my God, we're gonna go to Louis Vuitton, okay? I swear to God, I had like 5 glasses of champagne, I think. But lots going on at Louis Vuitton that we need to check out. Louis Vuitton happening right now. Let's go, people. Okay, hello.
Hello.
She's already dancing. How beautiful is the boutique here in Miami? This is the Design District. Oh my gosh, look at this. Game On collection. I just want everything. This is life. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Hello.
Whoa.
Oh my
Whoa,
gosh. That's stunning.
Wow. And it's comfy. Because you know some jewelry are not comfy.
Oh my gosh, that's stunning, Val. I love it. I love the entire collection, really. Look at that. Oh. It's gorgeous.
Cartier family.
So you do like this?
Oh. Ah, much easier than the Cartier one. Oh wow.
Oh, that's stunning.
You know to match with the Cartier?
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
amazing.
Oh my God, that's stunning, huh? This is like 24,000 right here for these. This right here for my collection. Like I'm kind of poor on bags right now, Amy. I need more bags. I like this one. Oh my gosh, this is life.
Absolutely
Hello.
gorgeous.
Wow. Look at this dress. Oh my gosh. And I love the mini bag. Look how cute. Super tiny too. So this is the boys section. Check it out. Oh my gosh. This is like super happening. Check this out. Oh my God, so crowded. Hello.
Do you know any?
So this is the Louis Vuitton event out here at the Design District. Oh my gosh.
Look at the guy over there. It's so funny. That's so funny.
I'm in love. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, check this out. Oh my gosh, check this out. Wow. How pretty, boys. You're gonna go crazy. My boys are gonna go crazy. Look at the tie, so cute. And then let me show you, look at this. This is the keepo. Check out the keepo and look at the shoes. for Val's birthday. I'm so excited. Guys, this is the look. I'll try to show better when we get there. Ai, que lindo, Val. So beautiful. Cheers. Cheers.
Vaca muerta no, amore, vaca muerta no. Vaca muerta no.
Oh, balloons! This is the look for today. We are going to go shopping at Bal Habour Shops, actually one of our favorite places to go every time I come to Miami. I have to do Miami Design District and Bal Habour Shops. So, guys, shoes are Dior. Just got this dress from Intermix, super cute, super comfy, and of course showing off my new baby. So excited, gonna get a little bit of retail therapy in. Look how chic. This is so beautiful and classy. Look at this. Look at this dress. Oh my god, look at the detail. This is insane. The shirt that I wanted. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Guys, check this out. Look at this gold one. The necklace is just so incredible. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Oh my gosh, so pretty.
Amiga, lindo. Esse aqui que é uma ear tone.
Yeah, so pretty.
Que é uma ear tone.
Tô apaixonada, I'm in love. That's insane. Look at that. Okay, these boots, this is life, guys. This is life, okay? And then look at this bracelet. How beautiful. And the pink bag. Oh my gosh, check this out. Look at the back of this clutch. This is insane. Look, so this is how you open it. Oh my gosh. Stunning. Eu quero ver assim mais de longe. We are looking at Cruise collection. Look at this, how beautiful.
Então, amiga, mas
oh my
eu não sei se eu quero
gosh.
essa cor, se eu quero rosa.
Look at the headbands and the shoes. Check out the bags, how gorgeous. And look at that sweater. Like, look at this right here on the side. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty, guys. Check out the new jacket from the new collection. I have to show you this. Look at the button. This is stunning. Check out this color of this boy. Gorgeous.
Outra pegada.
Gostei desse detalhe aqui. Ó.
Nem essa tá constando do estoque.
Eu acho que de repente essa era uma coleção anterior.
Será que
Até meio lenço a gente vai. Check out the Gucci nail polishes. All of the colors, guys. Oh, look at this red. Check this out. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like on. Brand new from Gucci. This is the packaging.
O que você acha que eu deveria comprar? Pra não ter que inteirar muito.
Gorgeous. Look at the blue.
Vem, bicha. Vuitton, Vuitton.
O que você gosta da Louis Vuitton? Vamos olhar a Louis Vuitton
Bem
aqui.
que você já sabe, mas eu não gosto de
Pega, babe. Look at that. So cute. I love this one right here, Eva. Guys, Raissa Vanessa. They have the most incredible dresses. Check this out. Look at the pink. This is stunning. Oh